Hello everyone! Welcome to Teacher Frel TV! Our subject for today is Math for Quarter 2, Week 3, Milk Base. Let's learn about solving real-life problems involving Gcf and LCM of two given numbers. Hello kids! Today, we are going to learn about solving real-life problems involving Gcf and LCM of two given numbers. In your previous lesson, you have experienced solving a word problem using the four-step plan. You have learned how to find what is asked in the problem, how to use appropriate operation, as well as making a model to help you visualizing the problem. You also learned the importance of checking or looking back to see if your final answer is justifiable and your solution is correct. This time, you will continue solving a word problem to develop your critical thinking skills. After going through this lesson, you are expected to apply your learnings in finding the Gcf and LCM through solving a real-life word problems involving Gcf and LCM of the given numbers. Read and analyze the word problem below. Observe how it is solved using the four-step plan. There are two bells in the school. The bell 1 is for grade 1 to 3, while the bell 2 is for grade 4 to 6. The bell 1 and 2 are rung once every 30 minutes and the other, or bell B, at every 50 minutes. If they are rung together at 7 o'clock a.m., at what time they will be next rung together for the recess? Let us solve this problem using the four-step plan. The first step is understand. What is asked in the problem? Time that the bell rang together. What are the given data? Bell A are rung after 30 minutes, and bell B are rung after 50 minutes. Step 2 is plan. How will I solve the problem? By finding the LCM. Step 3, solve. How is the solution done? It can be through listing method. The given data are 30 and 50. 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. 50, 100, 150. The common multiples are 150. Another is, it can be through prime factorization. The prime factor of 30 is 2 times 3 times 5. The prime factor of 50 is 2 times 5 times 5. And then get all the factors of 30 and 50 and multiply. 2 times 3 times 5 times 5 equals 150. Since the bell 1 rang at every 30 minutes and bell 2 is rung at 50 minutes, then the least number of minutes required for the two bells to be rung together is the LCM of 30 and 50. The LCM of 30 and 50 is 150. Therefore, the two bells will be rung together after 150 minutes for 2 hours and 30 minutes. For 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Both bells will be next rung at 7 o'clock a.m. plus 2 hours and 30 minutes equals 9:30 a.m. Now, try to do the following activities. Learning Task 1. Solve the following problem using the four-step plan. Use the concept of Gcf in each problem. Write your answer in your notebook. Number 1. Elaine has a rectangular gift wrapper that measures 30 cm by 25 cm. She wants to cut it into square sheets of same size to be used in her album. What is the possible measure of a square sheet side which will not have a leftover? Step 1. Understand. What is asked in the problem? Measure of a square sheet. What are the given data? 30 cm by 25 cm. Step 2. Plan. How will I solve the problem? By finding the GCF. Step 3. Solve. How is the solution done? Using listing method. The factors of 30 are 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 5 times 6. The factors of 25 are 1 times 25, 5 times 5. The common factors of 30 and 25 is 5. So the answer is, the measure of a square sheet side is 5 cm. Number 2. The rich man would like to donate 96 notebooks, 84 pencils, and 120 pad papers among grade 4 students of Danao Elementary School. If he wants to distribute it equally to selected students, how many students will receive those items? How many of each kind can rich students get? First step, understand. What is asked in the problem? Number of students that will receive those items and number of each kind can each students get. What are the given data? 96 notebooks, 84 pencils, and 120 pad papers. Step 2. Plan. How will I solve the problem? By finding the GCF. Step 3. Solve. How is the solution done? Using continuous division. The given data are 96, 84, and 120. 96, 84, and 20 are divisible by 2. 96 divided by 2 is 48. 84 divided by 2 equals 42. And 120 divided by 2 is 60. 48, 42, and 60 are divisible by 2. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 42 divided by 2 is 21. 60 divided by 2 is 30. 24, 21, and 30 are divisible by 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 21 divided by 3 is 7. And 30 divided by 3 is 10. The factor is 2 times 2 times 3 equals 12. There are 12 students who will receive those items. Each of them will get 8 notebooks, 7 pencils, and 10 pad papers. 12 is the greatest common factor. Number 3. Reina has 40 pieces of bananas, 48 pieces of atis, and 38 pieces of chicos. She wants to put them equally in the plastic bag. How many possible number of each fruit will be placed in the plastic bag? First step, understand. What is asked in the problem? Possible number of each fruit will be placed in the plastic bag. What are the given data? 40 pieces of bananas, 48 pieces of atis, and 36 pieces of chicos. Second step, plan. How will I solve the problem? By finding the GCF. Third step, solve. How is the solution done? Using continuous division. The given data are 40, 48, and 36. These are divisible by 2. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 48 divided by 2 is 24. And 36 divided by 2 is 18. 20, 24, and 18 are divisible by 2. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 18 divided by 2 is 9. The factor is 2 times 2 equals 4. The GCF is 4. Answer: 4 pieces of each fruit will be placed in the plastic bag. Let's move to learning task 2. Solve the following problem using the 4-step plan. Use the concept of LCM in each problem. Write your answer in your notebook. Number 1. A lighthouse wand flashes its light every 15 minutes. A lighthouse 2 flashes every 18 minutes. If the two lighthouses flash together at 1 o'clock a.m., what time they will next flash together? Step 1. Understand. What is asked in the problem? Time they will next flash together. What are the given data? Lighthouse 1 flashes its light every 15 minutes. A lighthouse 2 flashes every 18 minutes. Step 2. Plan. How will I solve the problem? By finding the LCM. Step 3. Solve. How is the solution done? Using listing method. The multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105. The multiples of 18 are 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108. The common multiples of 15 and 18 is 90. The answer is the LCM of 15 and 18 is 90. 90 is equals to 1 hour and 30 minutes. Therefore, 2:30 a.m. is the time they will next flash together. Number 2. The length and width of rectangular lot are 108 meter and 144 meter. Trees are planted at equal distance along the sides of the lot. What is the total number of the trees planted? Step 1. Understand. What is asked in the problem? The total number of trees planted. What are the given data? Length and width of rectangular lot are 108 meter and 144 meter. Step 2. Plan. How will I solve the problem? By finding the LCM. Step 3. Solve. How is the solution done? Using listing method. The multiples of 108 are 108, 216, 324, 432, 540. The multiples of 144 are 144, 288, 432, 576. The common multiples of 108 and 144 is 432. So the answer is the LCM of 108 and 144 is 432. Therefore, 432 is the total number of trees planted. Number 3. Leo visits the regional office once every 2 days. Ethan visits once every 4 days, while JP visits once every 6 days. They all meet one day in the office. After how many days will they meet again at the regional office? Step 1. Understand. What is asked in the problem? How many days will they meet again at the regional office? What are the given data? 2 days, 4 days, and 6 days. Step 2. Plan. How will I solve the problem? By finding the LCM. Step 3. Solve. How is the solution done? Using listing method. The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18. The common multiples of 2, 4, and 6 is 12. So the answer is the LCM of 2, 4, and 6 is 12. Therefore, they will meet again after 12 days. Number 4. The box of candies is shared equally among 9, 12, or 18 children. There are always 6 candies left. Find the smallest number of candies in the box. Step 1. Understand. What is asked in the problem? Find the smallest candies in the box. What are the given data? 9, 12, or 18 children. 6 candies left. Step 2. Plan. How will I solve the problem? By finding the LCM. Step 3. Solve. How is the solution done? Using listing method. The multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. The multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48. The multiples of 18 are 18, 36, 54. So the common multiples of 9, 12, and 18 is 36. So the answer is, the LCM of 9, 12, and 18 is 36, but there is always 6 candies left. Therefore, 42 is the smallest number of candies in the box. Number 5. 3 bells toll at intervals of 12 minutes, 20 minutes, and 24 minutes respectively. If they start by ringing together, after how long will they all ring again? Step 1. Understand. What is asked in the problem? How long will they all ring again? What are the given data? 12 minutes, 20 minutes, 24 minutes. Step 2. Plan. How will I solve the problem? By finding the LCM. Step 3. Solve. How is the solution done? Using prime factorization. The factors of 12 is 2 times 3 times 2. The factors of 20 is 2 times 2 times 5. The factors of 24 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 2. And then multiply all the factors of 12, 20, and 24. 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 5 equals 120. The answer is, the LCM of 12, 20, and 24 is equal to 120. Learning Task 3. Solve the following problem using the 4-step plan. Use the concept of GCF and LCM in each problem. Write your answer in your notebook. Number 1. There are always 4 bars of chocolates left when box of chocolates shared equally among 9, 10, or 12 children. Find the smallest number of chocolates in the box. Step 1. Understand. What is asked in the problem? Find the smallest number of chocolates in the box. What are the given data? 9, 10, or 12 children. 4 bars of chocolates left. Step 2. Plan. How will I solve the problem? By finding the LCM. Step 3. Solve. How is the solution done? Using prime factorization. The factor of 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. The factor of 10 is 2 times 5. And the factor of 12 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Then multiply all the factors. 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 3 equals 120. The answer is, the LCM of 12, 20, and 24 is equal to 120. But there are always 4 bars of chocolate left. Therefore, 120 plus 4 equals 124 is the smallest number of chocolates in the box. Number 2. There are 117 boys and 135 girls joined in the field trip. The teacher in charge decided to group them. If each group will have equal number of members, how many groups can be formed from all students joined in the field trip? Step 1. Understand. What is asked in the problem? Groups can be formed from all students joined in the field trip. What are the given data? 117 boys and 135 girls. Step 2. Plan. How will I solve the problem? By finding the GCF. Step 3. Solve. How is the solution done? Using continuous division. The given data are 117, 135. 117 and 135 is divisible by 3. 117 divided by 3 is 39. 135 divided by 3 is 45. 39 and 45 are divisible by 3. 39 divided by 3 is 13. 45 divided by 3 is 15. The greatest common factor is 3 times 3 equals 9. So the answer is 9 groups will be formed. Number 4. In a certain number of grade 4 students share 28 or 39 skill books in mathematics, there are remainders of 4 and 3 books. What is the largest possible number of students? Step 1. Understand. What is asked in the problem? Largest possible number of students. What are the given data? 28 or 39 skill books in mathematics. 4 and 3 books remainder. Step 2. Plan. How will I solve the problem? By finding the GCF. Step 3. Solve. How is the solution done? Take away the remaining number of books. 28 minus 4 equals 24. And 39 minus 3 equals 36. Using listing method. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. The factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 36. So the answer is, the GCF of 24 and 36 is 12. Therefore, 12 is the largest possible number of students. Learning Task 4. Solve the following problem. Write the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. A number is divisible by 24, 42, and 60. Find its smallest possible value. A. 480. B. 840. C. 460. D. 860. What is the correct answer? Very good. The answer is letter B. 840. Number 2. There are the same remainder 3 when 135, 111, and 87 is divided by a certain number. Find the largest possible value of this number. A. 11, B. 12, C. 13, or D. 15. What is the correct answer? Very good. The correct answer is letter B. 12. Number 3. Mr. Ethan has a land that measures 42 meter by 60 meter into equal squares. What should be the size of largest square? A. 30 square meter. B. 32 square meter. C. 34 square meter. Or D. 36 square meter. What is the correct answer? Very good. The correct answer is letter D. 36 square meter. Number 4. Mr. Lasso would like to divide his class for their math project. There are 32 boys and 24 girls in the class. How many possible groups can he make if he wants to group them with the same number of boys and girls and no remainder? A. He can form 2, 4, or 8 groups. B. He can form 3, 6, or 9 groups. C. He can form 5, 6, or 7 groups. Or D. He can form 2, 3, or 5 groups. What is the correct answer? Very good. The correct answer is letter A. He can form 2, 4, or 8 groups. Number 5. If Mr. Lasso chooses the highest possible group that he can make, how many boys and girls will be in each group? A. 8 girls and 6 boys. B. 8 boys and 6 girls. C. 4 girls and 3 boys. D. 4 boys and 3 girls. What is the correct answer? Very good. The correct answer is letter D. 4 boys and 3 girls. Number 6. Security A rounds every 2 minutes and 20 seconds in the gate 1. Security B rounds every 1 minute and 40 seconds in the gate 2. If they conduct rounds at the same time, after how many minutes they will rounds together again? A. After 15 minutes. B. After 16 minutes. C. After 17 minutes. Or D. After 18 minutes. What is the correct answer? Very good. The correct answer is letter D. After 18 minutes. Kids, are your all answers correct? Wow! Good job! Kids, I hope you learned a lot from this lesson. Until our next topic, bye-bye kids! Thanks for watching!